Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Now this is a really short video. Now these series of videos that I've made for the Boxer, for the RadioMaster Boxer radio, are to help you program it. There is also something we can do, is make custom sounds for our radios. Now I did a video a couple of years ago which is still relevant. It will still show you how to do it. So this video is to direct new Boxer users or new RadioMaster radio users to be able to make custom sounds. So there's going to link pop up here that you can click on and it will take you to the video so it can show you how to make the videos, and it hasn't changed. Obviously with Audacity there's a new version of it, but just download the latest version, and all the links for that video are also in this video. Now let's have a look. There we go. Here's my Boxer. Let me put, if you listen to this, put it in my... That isn't a standard sound that you get in the radio. I made that sound myself using a program in my web browser and using Audacity to record it. So anyway, go to have a look at the link and it will show you how to do this, which is quite fun, especially not really so interesting for drone pilots, but for fixed wing you can make any sound you want. So when you flick a switch, it will tell you that particular program has been activated on your radio. Well, I hope you find the video that you go back and watch useful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up for me please, because it would be appreciated. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, because I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye for now.